Greetings. Today we have a different video than normal, showcasing a home improvement project long overdue. Like a goofball, I started filming after this project was started, so you're seeing it here now at the very beginning. Anyway, after acquiring this duplex townhome in 2017, the original kitchen was totally disgusting, with grease dripping off the walls and roaches living in the appliances. I'll leave a pic reel at the end of this video to show you how it looked like before I purchased it. This small kitchen was gutted with a brand new fridge, dishwasher, stove, microwave, cabinets, faucet, sink, garbage disposal, and Spanish quartz countertops. The only thing we left alone and to stay under budget was the ugly laminate flooring. Basically, this whole setup was inspired by a rolling kitchen island we purchased, and in the dining room, wall cabinets were built around it. Also replaced was the original bulb in the molding with LED light strips that's located in the dining room as well. Our handyman, Phil, handled all the little nitpicky things around the house and did something no one else wanted to do, which was replace that gross old exhaust fan that's dripping nasty grease from the previous owners. Now we have a more powerful yet silent fan to handle all the exhaust functions. In the kitchen area, we found floor tiles and mosaics at Floor Decor. The other thing that was happening is no matter how much Kills we use, the wall by the stove always stained and peeled. Our handyman had a perfect solution to install sheet metal backsplash over using the mosaics. Now, we did run into an issue after the old laminate was lifted. The subfloor was subpar. The previous charlatan, who used to live next door to us, decided to snake live electrical wires without conduit. Eventually, it was all fixed to code, and the floor was finally level. Tiles were laid down and grouted. This whole kitchen project is pretty much 99% complete. We just have to put some ceiling paint around the new exhaust vent and replace the old blinds. Otherwise, we're done here. Real happy with how this all ended up, and all under budget. We can officially call this kitchen completely redone as of 2024. In a few years, this townhome will be up for sale. and I'll make another video showing off all the things we've done over the years here. Since 2017, we've been working on upgrading piecemeal every single year, so we can enjoy it and then sell it to the next owner in real good condition, where all they really have to do is paint it the way they want it. This house was cleaned, cared for, upgraded, and treated with love. Like and subscribe. It's the only way to see how it all looks at the end. Y'all stay well, stay safe. Ciao, friends.